Welcome to the introduction video of the SportSchool Analytics application developed by MDL Ventures. Because in any business information system, the most important part about the system is the information it provides you, we will start with the reports you will receive from our application. Our system generates 4 types of reports: a director's report or manager's report, a private's program report, a group's program report, and utilization reports. The director's reports is a summary of all of the data in your entire sports school business. We've identified 4 key metrics that show you clearly how your business is performing: lesson visits, revenue, instructor wage to revenue, and in this example, dollar per skier visit. Each measure has a chart that allows you to compare daily performance to your baseline average or your average daily performance last year, target average or your average daily target for this year, and your trend. The trend is simply your average performance so far this year. We also provide mission-critical numbers so that you can see how you've performed on a daily basis, how you're performing year to date, and what's your average performance so far this year. These variables are revenue, wage cost, wage to revenue, and market performance data. In our privates reports, we've identified 4 key metrics that allow you to understand how your private programs are performing: total number of privates compared to requests as a percentage of total, total number of private hours, again comparing requests as a percentage of total. The difference between these two is privates is a simple count of the total number of privates, where private hours allows you to understand how you're performing with a varied number of privates programs, whether they're 1 hour, 2 hour, or all day programs. In the private hours, we compare your requests as a percentage of total to request rate target and your request rate baseline. Private revenue compares total revenue on an average daily basis to your baseline and again your target. Instructor utilization is simply the number of teaching hours versus the number of standby hours, so that you can understand how you're using your instructors assigned to your private program. Mission critical numbers for privates are revenue, wage cost, wage to revenue, and in this case, additional people and revenues from additional people. Our group programs reports again look at 4 metrics that drive business in your group program: students, class average, revenue, and again instructor utilization. In our class average chart, we add 1 variable. That's class size limit. For our mission critical numbers, we're looking at revenue, wage cost, and wage to revenue for each group program. The utilization reports allows you to understand how you're utilizing your entire staff for your sports school. We look at total school instructor utilization, which combines both privates and group instructors; total snow school wages to revenue, which looks at not just instructor wages to revenue, but also adds in supervisory, manager, admin staff, and sales staff wage to revenue. Snow school teaching to non-teaching hours. This compares teaching hours to, again, supervisory hours, manager's hours, etc. And your snow school admin wages to revenue. These are your non-teaching hours as a percentage of total revenue in your snow school. Our application provides you with clear and meaningful information about the most critical measures in your business. You might think to get all of this information, you have to manage some nasty spreadsheet. To see how easy our application is to use, please watch the other videos you will find on this website.